What's up, guys? Let me show you guys on how I was able to make $40 on XRP using UTrading AI DCA Pro Strategy. I just discovered new strategy and I want to reveal the strategy for you guys here on YouTube. Try to like this video, share this video to all your friends. All right, and this particular strategy profit you see, the boat doesn't make the profit at once. You can see something like 3 counts. The profit was made little by little. All right, for example, we have TP1, TP2 and TP3. Then the boat now close all the trade and I make the profits. This video just based on educational content. This is not financial advisor. Trading is not a get rich system. Try to take note of this. And my own capital and your own capital may be, may be different. So the result may not be the same. Take note of this. So let's go into the video right now. You can see this is all my history. You can see here I lose. I close this with $5 minus $5, and this here you can see minus what? Sorry, this one I make around $6. So trading is not make something you can just make the money in one day. It takes times. All right, so try to know. And this year, this particular area I make around $27 profit on Solana. So I'm going to show everything how you can set everything up, set your stop loss, take profit, and walk away once your profit target hits. So let's jump into the video. All right, so the first step you need to do, register. The link is down below this video. Register, join my group chat, ask me any question in the comment section. I'm here to answer your question, and try to join on my community, or the link is down below this video, and try to connect your account together with API, with Bybit, wherever, and try to get your UGAS. All right, the UGAS will allow the bot to trade for you automated without you doing anything. So now let's get into the video right now. The first step you need to do once you have already connected your account is to just come to bots area. Let me just click on bots maybe. So when you come to bots, okay, no, sorry, come to trade, come to something like trade. Sorry, let me repeat myself again. Come to trade because you want to trade right now. Then we want to use this particular AI, right? We have different kind of AI. We have AI DCA, you see, we have DCA Strategy, we have DCA Pro, we have AI DCA. So, but the one I just want to show you guys right now is the one is a beginner friendly that you can just set it automatically and walk away. So now just come to this particular one, DCA Pro. When you click on it, so I want to select only one coin, only one coin. Let's see, let me just say you can select any coin of your choice, starting from Bitcoin, BTC, XRP, Solana, ADA, BNB. All these coins are it's not a shit coin. So let me just click on this XRP as an example. So I just want to use this particular AI. This is AI DCA. All right, I'm not using this one for now because I just want everybody to know how to do it automated with AI. This one is AI, is fully AI DCA strategy. All right, so I would just choose indicator direction. So the bot will pick the direction of the market for me. All right, so then I will use this particular indicator, which is UTR. All right, when you click on UTR, you can see UTR, the bot will confirm the direction only when UTR confirm long or short signal through AI driving big data analysis and market condition. You can see, so you can choose the one. The bot automatically confirm the most optimal indicator based on real-time market, but I want to just use this particular one called UTR. All right, we have different strategy. Let me just use UTR as an example in this particular tutorial. All right, then you are going to set your leverage. So I don't pass more than 10x. All right, as an example. Then if I want to pick my opening condition, all right, here I'll put, can you see something like this? The bots will open position only when the condition are met. So I'll just select this one. I'll select this one. Then I will use this particular one, waiting for UTR signal. So the bot will only pick the trade when the signal is met. You can change this one to either 15 minutes is okay, because you just want to scalp. So the bot, so now then you can also set your words here. You can set something like, depend on you guys, either you want to, so it depends on you. Let me just use 2% of my capital here, or it depends on you, or so I just want to use 5% or 3% of my entire capital. So that is just want to use. So it depends. So you can contact me. All right, you can contact me to ask me any question on how you can set your own account for you. All right, so then I will just leave this area. Let me leave this area here. You can see all this one. You can just leave it trade for mass order 2 position only. I'm okay with that. Then you can see here on this area again, UTR trend. Then I'm going to come to per cycle. I can leave it for like 3 counts. You can see the bot will always take the profit for me when it's so. Then I will come to this area again, stop running. Then I will just come to this area. I will select this area in case. Then I will select counts, like 3 counts. All right, then I can say like 3 counts like I did before. All right, I'll click on save. Then if you want to set your stop loss, total stop loss allow, it depends on your capital. So you can say amount, let's say 20. You are risking just $20 on this trade. So the profit target, you can also, it depends on you. All right, you can say 40. It depends on you. Your capital, you can see I've already set up. So this is how you can protect your capital. I set the total profit, the total loss on this. So I've already set up everything. All right, another thing you need to add to your setup, all right, when you come to this particular 3 round, all right, when you come to 3 round, you need to come to make sure you put this area as customized. All right, yeah, you can see I've already done it like this. So next run again. So that's how it works. So I will now click on this save again. So you now click on save. That's all so you need to do. I've already modified everything, so let's go. Or you can just monitor it if so I've already set up everything for myself right now on this video. So it depends on you guys. It depends on you guys. So I've already set up everything for myself. All right, so it depends. So how much are you risking? How much you want? You say I risk $20. Then my total profit, I've already set everything up. So I've already done with this particular trade right now. So you can see. Then the bot will wait for me. Sorry, the bot will wait. The bot will wait here to confirm the trend. Then I'll click on this launch. And I've already launched the bot already right now, so it's waiting. Let me just click on running. You can see this is running. All right, this is waiting for what is waiting for the market to open. This is my one of the current one. So I wait. I've already make like 1 point something dollar here already. So this one I've already set it up. So I just risk small capital here. All right, on this area you can see. So this is how you can just set the bots. Then that's how it works, guys. So if you want to set another one for, I'll make some video for this one as well, on this one, on other coin like this one, like future. This one is manual one. I will make another video for that. I don't want this video to be too long, so try to like this video and share it to people. Let people know how to set up the bots on their self. So thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now.